All eyes are on the Supreme Court this morning. The end of their term is near, and the justices still have several high-profile cases to rule on.
One of those cases is about the executive order the president signed attempting to end birthright citizenship. ABC 10 News reporter Adam Campbell is joining us in studio this morning. And Adam, multiple lawsuits were filed arguing that this violates the 14th Amendment.
Yeah, good morning, Jared and Mel. Especially with this one being in a binational region, this decision could impact many people here in San Diego. Birthright citizenship, it comes from the 14th Amendment. If a person is born in the U.S., they are a U.S. citizen. President Trump signed an executive order on the first day of his second term attempting to change that. The order would prevent kids born in the U.S. from automatically getting citizenship if neither parent was a U.S. citizen or permanent resident at that time. The president has said this would only apply to any kids born after the order takes effect. A legal expert I spoke with says, though, there's a gray area with this. If the court sides with the president, it all depends on the language used. The court could either say to follow the executive order's plan for this to apply, or they could rule that anyone is subject to the order. And he believes this case and the others potentially being ruled on today challenges checks and balances laid out in the Constitution, adding if the court sides with Trump, this leaves more power to executive orders.
It would vest that power in any president. And it means that when you have a shift of party, you are going to have, for example, wholesale firings of members of independent agencies and potentially a whole bunch of executive orders that are issued that address a variety of other issues.
Now, lower courts paused the executive order after several legal challenges. It ended up making its way to the Supreme Court. And in arguments in front of the court earlier this year, both liberal and conservative Supreme Court justices casted doubts about it. Now, the court could make a final ruling this morning. If not, they have to decide by early July. Jared, Mel.